This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. We're diving into France's AI Action Summit, a really pivotal event aiming to redefine the future of artificial intelligence. So, what immediately strikes you as significant about this summit's goals?
The dual focus, on equitable distribution of AI benefits and environmental sustainability is groundbreaking. It's a really big deal. It moves beyond the typical doom and gloom AI narratives.
Exactly. It's not just about preventing a dystopian future, but actively shaping a positive one. How realistic is this ambitious agenda, though?
Ambitious, yes, for sure, but not unrealistic. The involvement of key players like OpenAI and Google suggests a serious commitment to collaborative problem solving. I think it's doable.
The Coalition for Sustainable AI is a key initiative. What potential impact do you see it having?
It could significantly influence the industry's approach to energy consumption and carbon footprint reduction. It could really set a global standard for responsible AI development.
Let's delve deeper into the equitable distribution aspect. How can policies ensure that the benefits of AI reach beyond tech giants?
Targeted support for small businesses and workers is crucial. We're talking training programs, funding initiatives, and regulatory frameworks that promote fair competition.
Right. Are there specific policy examples from other countries that could serve as models for France?
Several countries are experimenting with AI ethics guidelines and worker retraining programs. France could definitely adapt and integrate the most effective elements into its own strategy. It's not starting from scratch.
What are the potential pitfalls of trying to achieve such equitable distribution? It sounds tricky.
Balancing innovation with regulation is a delicate act. Overly restrictive policies could stifle innovation, while insufficient regulation could exacerbate existing inequalities. It's a tough balance.
Now let's shift our focus to the environmental impact. What are the most pressing environmental concerns related to AI?
The energy consumption of data centers and the carbon footprint of AI computations are major concerns. The demand for computing power is growing exponentially. It's a huge issue.
How can the Coalition for Sustainable AI address these challenges effectively?
By promoting energy-efficient hardware and software, investing in renewable energy sources for data centers, and advocating for policies that incentivize sustainable practices. It's a multi-pronged approach.
Are there technological solutions beyond renewable energy that could significantly reduce the environmental impact?
Yes, advancements in AI algorithms themselves can lead to more efficient computations, reducing energy needs. Research in this area is crucial. It's a promising area.
The summit emphasizes balancing innovation with ethical governance. How can this balance be achieved practically?
Transparency in AI development, public engagement in policy discussions, and the establishment of clear ethical guidelines are essential. It's all about open communication.
Right. What role does public engagement play in shaping responsible AI development?
Public input is vital for ensuring that AI systems align with societal values and address public concerns. This requires open and accessible channels for communication. It's really important to hear from everyone.
How can regulations protect individual rights without hindering innovation? That's a big question.
A nuanced approach is needed, focusing on specific risks and vulnerabilities while avoiding overly broad restrictions that could stifle progress. It's a delicate balance.
What is the potential global implications of the summit's outcomes?
France's leadership could inspire similar initiatives worldwide, setting a new standard for responsible AI development. It could have a ripple effect.
Could the summit lead to the creation of international standards and agreements?
Absolutely. The collaborative spirit of the summit could facilitate the development of global frameworks for AI governance. That's the hope, anyway.
What are the potential challenges in achieving international cooperation on AI regulation?
Different countries have varying priorities and regulatory approaches. Reaching consensus on global standards will require significant diplomatic effort. It won't be easy.
The summit includes leaders from OpenAI, Google, and the European Commission. What unique perspectives do these organizations bring?
OpenAI brings expertise in cutting-edge AI research and development. Google offers insights into large-scale AI deployment, and the European Commission provides a regulatory perspective. It's a good mix of perspectives.
How crucial is the participation of these large tech companies for the success of the summit?
Their participation is essential. Their commitment to sustainable and equitable AI is crucial for influencing the broader industry. It's a big deal that they're involved.
Do you anticipate any potential conflicts of interest among these diverse stakeholders?
Certainly, balancing the interests of different stakeholders will be a challenge. Transparent dialogue and compromise will be key. It's going to require some careful negotiation.
What is the long-term vision for the implementation of the summit's recommendations?
Sustained commitment from governments, industry, and civil society is crucial for long-term success. Regular monitoring and evaluation are also essential. It's a long-term project.
What are the biggest challenges in translating the summit's aspirations into tangible results?
Securing sustained funding, overcoming political resistance, and ensuring effective implementation of policies are major challenges. There are a lot of hurdles to overcome.
How can we measure the success of the summit in the long term?
By tracking progress on key indicators such as energy consumption in AI, the number of jobs created in the AI sector, and the level of public trust in AI technologies. We need concrete metrics.
The summit emphasizes collaboration. How important is this collaborative approach for achieving its goals?
Collaboration is paramount. No single entity can solve the complex challenges of AI alone. It's absolutely essential.
What are the key elements of effective collaboration in this context?
Open communication, shared goals, mutual respect, and a willingness to compromise are essential. It's all about working together.
How can we ensure that this collaborative spirit extends beyond the summit itself?
Establishing ongoing communication channels, creating joint working groups, and fostering a culture of collaboration within the AI community are crucial. It needs to be sustained.
How can the summit effectively address public concerns about AI?
By promoting transparency, engaging in open dialogue, and addressing specific concerns about job displacement, bias, and privacy. It's about building trust.
This discussion has highlighted the ambitious yet achievable goals of France's AI Action Summit. Its focus on both equity and sustainability sets a new precedent.
Indeed. The summit's success will depend on sustained commitment and collaboration across sectors. It's a long road ahead.
Thank you for your insightful perspective. We invite our listeners to share their thoughts and opinions in the comments below.